Today, we're diving into 10 secret car features that most drivers don't even realize exist. These aren't expensive upgrades or aftermarket hacks. They're built into many vehicles from the factory. From dashboard tricks to emergency features, you'll be surprised at what your car can actually do. Stick around till the end because the last one is something you've probably needed more than once. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Let's unlock the secrets inside your car. 1. Hidden gas tank arrow. Have you ever pulled up to a gas station and guessed wrong on which side your fuel cap is? Look closely at your dashboard's fuel gauge. There's a tiny arrow next to the fuel pump icon. That arrow actually points to the side your gas tank is on. It's such a simple feature, yet it saves so much hassle, especially if you're driving a rental or a new car. Most modern cars have this, but very few drivers notice it. Once you see it, you'll never forget it again. It's a small but genius detail. 2. Key fob window trick. On hot days, no one wants to step into a boiling car. But here's a trick. In many cars, if you hold down the unlock button on your key fob for a few seconds, all your windows will roll down automatically. This helps air out the car before you even open the door. Some vehicles even let you control this via smartphone apps. It's a hidden feature that's especially useful during summer. Try it next time and impress your passengers. Just make sure you don't accidentally trigger it in the rain. 3. Sunglasses holder above mirror. That overhead compartment above your rear view mirror isn't just decorative. It's actually a sunglasses holder in many cars. Just press on it and it flips open with a soft lining inside to protect your shades. It's the perfect place to store them without scratching or losing them in the glove box. Some even have space for cards or small items. Many drivers never use it simply because they don't know what it's for. It's a subtle smart storage space hiding in plain sight. 4. Auto hold brake feature. If your car has an auto hold button near the gear selector, you've got a really handy feature. When activated, auto hold keeps your car stopped even after you take your foot off the brake. It's perfect for stop and go traffic or waiting at red lights. This feature helps reduce fatigue and gives your ankle a break during long drives. It's especially useful on hills where it prevents the car from rolling backward. Once you start using it, you won't want to drive without it. Definitely a game changer in comfort and safety. 5. Emergency trunk release. Most trunks today come with a built-in emergency release, often a glow-in-the-dark handle that pops the trunk open from the inside. It's a required safety feature in many countries designed to help anyone trapped inside get out. Usually it's shaped like a person escaping from a trunk, and it's often overlooked unless you're actively looking for it. This feature is particularly important for kids who might climb into trunks during play. It's small, but in emergencies, it can be life-saving. 6. Speed-sensitive volume. Ever noticed your music getting louder as you drive faster? That's not your imagination. It's a feature called speed-sensitive volume. It automatically adjusts your audio based on your speed to compensate for wind and road noise. The faster you go, the louder your stereo gets, and it tones back down when you slow. You can usually turn this on or off in your car's audio settings. It's one of those features that works so well, you only notice it when it's gone. Small tech, big comfort. 7. Hidden storage compartments. Cars today are designed with hidden storage in mind. Under floor mats, beneath rear seats, or inside trunk panels, you'll often find secret compartments perfect for storing tools, snacks, or even emergency gear. SUVs and family cars especially have clever bin spaces. These hide clutter and keep your essentials safe and out of sight. Some compartments even come with organizers or straps. Take a few minutes to explore your vehicle. You might find storage spots you never knew existed. Great for keeping your cabin neat. 8. Adjustable cup holder tabs. Have you ever had a drink tip over in your cup holder while driving? Many cars come with adjustable tabs or rubber grips inside the holders that can be moved or flexed to hold different cup sizes securely. These aren't just decorative. They're designed to keep your drink from wobbling or spilling. You might need to twist them or push them inward depending on the design. It's a great little detail that most people overlook. Try adjusting yours. Your coffee will thank you. 9. Rear view mirror night mode. That little flip tab at the bottom of your rear view mirror is more useful than it seems. When you tilt it, you activate a manual night mode that dims the reflection of bright headlights behind you. This reduces glare and helps protect your eyes during night driving. In newer models, this function may be automatic with self-dimming mirrors, but if you've got the manual one, don't forget to use it. It's been around for decades and still works like a charm. 10. Panic button to find your car. Lost your car in a crowded parking lot? Just hit the panic button on your key fob. Instead of causing alarm, it can actually help you locate your car fast by making it flash and beep. While it's designed for emergencies, this feature is a handy locator when you're overwhelmed by rows of vehicles. Just be sure to use it briefly so you don't draw too much attention. It's a practical use of a button many people never think to press unless something's wrong. Outro. So, how many of these secret car features did you already know? Let me know in the comments and share any hidden gems your car might have. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips every week. I've got another video coming up with DIY car hacks you can do at home, so stay tuned. So, we've just unlocked 10 hidden secrets inside your car that most drivers never even notice. They may seem small, but trust me, these features can save you from annoying situations and even make your drive safer and way more comfortable. If you enjoy discovering these kinds of tips, then hit that subscribe button right now and turn on the bell. Because here on Car Fix Free, I've got plenty more hidden car secrets, DIY hacks, and the kind of truth about cars that nobody else tells you. Believe me, you don't want to miss it. In the next video, I'll share some powerful tricks to keep your car running smooth like brand new, without wasting a fortune on repairs. You'll be surprised at how simple it can be. This is Car Fix Free, where your car gets smarter care and you save more money. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. And remember, drive safe, drive smart,